Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. I said so.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Heat Nation Station. This your boy Teddy PhD 91, back with another video. Today we got two unboxings for you guys. Now, if you've been following my recent videos, you saw that I got the Galaxy Note 3. Now, this is an expensive premium type phone, so I wanted to get a case as soon as possible. But by it being a fairly brand new device, not many companies have manufactured cases on the market as of yet. They're probably in the process, but none as of yet. So I went on eBay and just got me a protective case for the time being until I can upgrade to a new case. Now, when I do from now on when I do unboxings, I said it'll be cool to have an unboxing knife. So I got the Batman dual blade, but I never unboxed it. So we're gonna unbox it today, then we're gonna jump right into the case. So this is the packaging that it comes in. It has Batman, picture of Batman, best quality stainless steel blades, the product number, same thing on the back. So let's go ahead and pretty much all comes in the box is your knife. Now, guys, I had to get it in the red and black because those are two of my favorite colors and they match with the Heat colors. So anyway, it has the Bat logo, Batman logo right there. Has a little clip, says in China, obviously that's what it's made in. The special thing about this knife is it has these two spring assisted clips, so when you pull them, snaps open and you have the blade that comes out nice and sharp. Also, if you has another one, when you pull it, the other blade comes out. Now if you combine these two lengths from point to point, it's about 11 and a half inches. So yeah, this is a fairly long knife, but it is cool. You know what I'm saying? You can just put that down, fold it, pull that down and fold it. The cool thing about it is, you want to pull out your knife, you just pull that and put it back. So I thought it was very cool, and it was very cheap. But the quality, it's heavy, it's not plastic. Everything is quality, and it's made good. So let's get into this unboxing. So YouTube, like I was saying, I went out and bought me a case for the time being. Just came today, so let's unbox. Go ahead and put that away. So basically, here's the case, and it comes with a screen protector as well. So clear screen protector, the greatest guard for LCD screens. Even though this is a Super AMOLED screen, let's see if it'll work with it. It comes with the anti-reflection, fingerprint-free, dust-repelling, bubble-free application. So that was cool for that they included a screen protector with it. Now here's the case. Like I say, the unboxing knife in the case, one of my favorite colors. So let's use this knife again to cut into that. Now basically what we have is a hybrid case and a holster. So just pull this out of there. You have your holster, made of plastic. Not expecting any like really good protection from that because it's very plastic. Then you have this made for the Note 3. You can see the picture. Check that out. And basically it's a two-part. Is you have your hard plastic case shell, and then you have your soft silicone type and that's pretty much it. So let's put this on and see what it looks like. Before we put the case on, we're gonna put the screen protector on. So let's go ahead and open it. This thing is very sharp. I don't want to slice my hand. So you gotta watch your hands when you open it because it's fast. So you get your screen protector, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a application card. So I mean, it's very cool that they included all this in with no extra charge. Free screen protector. Yeah, it's always a good thing because you never know, you might need one, or until you buy a better one. These will work fine. So let's put it on the screen. So YouTube, first you want to get your microfiber clean cloth that came with the device. Then you just want to basically clean your screen. Now I suggest that you just basically cut your phone off because the heat from the screen and lights and all that could affect and give you more bubbles. So just cut it off during this process. So you want to make sure that's very clean. Then you want to get your screen protector, and has these little numbers on it. You want to peel it back about an inch and a half with the sticky side facing down. And what you want to do is basically line up your sides. Line it up. Just use your application card and smooth out those little excess bubbles. Alright, when you're done with that, lift this second part off and push out all the excess bubbles. Okay, YouTube, so when you got your screen protector on, just get your silicone case, put that all around like so. So you don't even need the shell, you can rock it like this if you wanted to. Get your shell, line it up. Snap it all into place. And there you have it. Have your case. Now, this case comes with a kickstand. You just lift it up like this. And there you go. See if it can. It can't. It's not made to stand up in portrait mode, but landscape mode. There you go. Has the ports for your stylus, your speakerphone, your USB 3.0 charging port, your microphone, your volume rockers, 3.5mm headphone jack, the other microphone, your IR blaster, and your power button. Let's put it in the case, so you want to put it face down and just slide it right in. So this is how it will look with the holster. You just pull it out. See if you can put it like this. Nope, you can't put it in that way, so it's only made to go in this way.